Each kit contains 3 parts: one COVID-19 test card in a pouch, one tube, and one swab. The first step is to collect the sample. Simply open the swab, taking care not to touch the tip of the swab. Gently insert the swab 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch into the nostril, and brush against the side of the nostril in a circular motion at least 5 times for 15 seconds. Using the same swab, repeat with the other nostril. Again, do not touch the swab with your finger or to any other surface. Now, holding the tube upright, tap the bottom of the tube on the table. Unscrew the orange cap, insert the swab into the liquid, and stir it gently at least 15 times. Pinch the tube in the middle and remove the swab. The goal here is to wring the liquid out of the swab. Screw the orange cap back onto the tube and discard the swab. Now, twist off the small white cap from the tube and squeeze 3 drops into the sample port of the COVID-19 test card. Replace the white cap. Wait at least 15 minutes, but not more than 30 minutes. To read the results, look at the card. You should see a C line. If you don't see the C line, the test didn't work, and you will have to carefully repeat it using a new test kit. Now, look at the T. If you can see even a faint line, the test is positive. Immediately notify your child's school and Herkimer County Public Health Office and begin quarantining your child. If you cannot see a line, your child is tested negative for COVID and can attend school.